Hey developers, if you are building a POS system or a receipt-based application in Flutter, you probably need to print receipt using Bluetooth thermal printer. But handling Bluetooth printers across multiple platforms can get complicated. So today I will show you a Flutter package called Flutter Receipt Printer that lets you print receipt easily on Android, iOS, macOS and also on Windows. And the best part is integration is super simple. So this is a package we are going to use in our application, that is a flutter_receipt_printer. So one of the biggest advantages of using this package is that it's work across multiple platforms. It supports Android, iOS, macOS, Windows. So you can build a single POS system using Flutter and deploy it across mobile and desktop devices without rewriting printer logic. This package is designed specially for the Bluetooth thermal printer, which are commonly used in POS system, restaurant billing, retail store, invoice printing. It's allow your Flutter app to scan, connect and print directly to these printers. The package provides a simple API to scan nearby Bluetooth printer. Instead of manually handling Bluetooth APIs on each platform, you can quickly discover available printer and display them inside your application. Connecting to a printer is straightforward. Once a user selects a printer, you can establish the connection using the printer's Bluetooth address and the package will handle the communication internally. The package also allows you to format receipt easily. You can print store name or logo, item list with the prices, subtotal and the total, dividers and the spacing, custom aligned text. This makes it perfect for building professional looking receipt in Flutter application. Another great thing is that integration is very quick. In most cases, you can only need to add the package, scan for printer, connect to the printer and send the print command. And your receipt printing workflow is ready. Now let's look at how to integrate this in your Flutter project. First, add the package to your PubSpec and this one you have to add it. After that, you have to add the permission in the Android. You have to add these permission. Then for the iOS, you have to add this permission inside your info.plist, and for the macOS, you have to add this permission in the info.plist inside our runner, inside our info.plist, and then we have to add in our debug profile.entitlement and also for the release.entitlement. And for the window, no manifest changes required. The flutter_blue_plus.winrt package automatically include as a federated plugin and also handle a Bluetooth access to the window runtime APIs. For the Linux, you have to run this command and all to make sure the Bluetooth is running. So this is our application. You can see here it is showing disconnected and here we have the scan for printer and here it is saying no device found. Tap scan to discover printer. When we click on the scan for printer, it will scan for the found devices and all. So right now my printer is not yet on. So now if I click on the on button, so now my printer is on. And when I click on the scan for printer, you will see MTP2. This is my printer. And if I click on this one, it will say connecting. Now it is saying connected to MTP2. After that, I will get here disconnect button. Then we have the print test here. We can test it in the three way: by printing the simple text, by printing the formatted receipt, or by printing the QR code. So here you can see this is my printer. It is connected. So now from the application, if I click on the print formatted receipt, you can see the receipt has been printed here. So you can see here the receipt is printed here. So in the same way, if we click on the print QR code, you will see here QR code is also generated here. You can see here receipt and here the QR code here. So in this way we are printed from our macOS, and the same way we can do with the Android, iOS and the Windows also. So that's a quick overview of how to use Flutter_receipt_printer in your Flutter application. If you want, I can also make a complete POS example using this package, including printer discovery, connection management and the advanced receipt formatting. And if you found this helpful, make sure to follow for more Flutter plugins and the real world integration. Thank you for watching the video.